The Graphics Interchange Format is shortly abbreviated as GIFs, which can be used to make both static and animated images. It initially emerged in 1987 with an intent to generate the smallest possible size images. GIFs do not generate any sound, neither it requires clicking the play button. GIF Importance. Businesses require promotion to catch public attention. Social media serves as an effective platform for carrying out marketing. With its usage, it is suggested to get acquainted with the techniques compatible with social media for promotion. GIF can create attractive ads on social media platforms promoting the company's brand. Marketing ideas can be best implemented using GIF. It helps to understand the situation more clearly, just similar to the emojis. Where can GIF be incorporated? They can be incorporated into the websites, emails, social media, YouTube channels and PDF files. Graphics creates more attraction and understandability compared to mere text. GIF are files of small size that are more than an image and less than a video. They easily fit in mobile phones due to their small size. Any ideas can be generated as GIF to create a more significant impact on the audience. GIF creation tips. Attractive GIF. Maintain mobile device compatibility. GIF size should fit in social media. Add few colors. Take the help of tools. Convert videos into GIF. Generate wide access. GIF Creator Tool. Tools help to create effective GIFs. Free GIF Creator tools are available online to create GIFs easily. They have features that generate the best GIFs. GIF Creator Tool supports converting video files into GIF files. Also, it allows editing GIF images. Painting tools, image effects, creating resized and cropped quality images are some of the significant features. GIF Creator Tool features. Area selection. Different sizes can be selected to work on. It may be square, rectangle, ellipse, or any geometrical figure. The selected area can be retained while deleting the rest of the unselected area. Colors can be filled into it, and brush tools can be used to create a greater visual impact. A wide variety of frames are available, which can be just dragged and dropped into the area. Quickness helps create GIF images that occupy less space and loads quickly. Supports various video and image formats. Supports various video formats including MP4, MKV, AVI, etc. Such videos can be downloaded and can be converted into GIF with just one click. Images of formats such as BMP, JPEG, PNG, etc. are accepted and supports saving the complete animation or its slices in various formats. Painting tools. Various painting options can be applied to the uploaded image, whether adding new paint or erasing the existing to create more changes. Conclusion. Having studied the features of the GIF Creator Tool, creating GIF is sure to give the best user experiences. If you're interested in capturing some interesting images on your computer, a screen capture tool helps meet this. OCapture is one of the screen capturing tools that helps capture a part of the entire section of the computer screen. Its enhanced features help capture the screen with quality. The tool is not just about capturing screens but also any live events. The captured video can be more enhanced by adding any titles or subtitles. Incorporating the best features in the business marketing strategies is sure to generate the best results. GIF is one such availability to keep the audience engaged. The advanced features of Photoshop and the latest tools have made GIF creation attractive. So, why not make the most of the available current market trends? A bill must production.